If you live in a flood hazard zone, you may or may not know of FEMA's 50% rule. And what does that mean to communities and homeowners? Hi, I'm Tom Lloyd with CCTV, and joining me right now is Shan McNulty, the county's building official. And Shan is going to talk to us about that and what it may or may not mean for your home. It could be rebuilding, or it could mean something a lot more cost. Correct, Shan?
Correct.
So talk to me, what is the 50% rule?
50% rule is basically if you're going through any type of renovation, improvement, repair of damage, be after a storm or after you decide you don't like your kitchen anymore, the value of those repairs in a house or a structure within a special flood hazard area is subject to this 50% rule, which means if the value of that repair, that improvement, that renovation exceeds 50% of the value of the structure, and the structure all by itself, excluding the value of the land, if the value of the work you're doing exceeds 50% of the value of the structure, then it's deemed either a substantial improvement or a substantial damaged if it's in the result of a storm or something like that. So if that value exceeds that 50% threshold, the structure would then be required to be brought up to the elevation requirements in the Florida Building Code.
So those homes, they would fall under that category, that they would have to bring whatever they rebuild up to code.
Correct. That the depending on the flood zone, Manasota Key specifically is most likely a V zone or a velocity zone. So that elevation requirement would be an elevation based measured to the bottom of the lowest horizontal structural member. In an A zone, which is a little more inland, the elevation requirement is based off the finished floor elevation. Well,
Shan, if residents want to know more information, where can they go?
They can visit our website, www.charlottecountykfl.gov/FEMA50. That's FEMA 50.
Okay, perfect. If you want to go there, you can go there. And Shan, thank you so much for joining us and giving us this information. For CCTV, news you could use, I'm Tom Lloyd.